In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Slack with your ActiveCollab account to streamline your notifications and stay on top of your projects more efficiently. This process is straightforward, and with my guidance, you'll have it set up in no time, so let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log in to your ActiveCollab account. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and enter your login details and get inside your workspace. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar. You should see an option labeled Add-ons. Sometimes it might be located under the Settings area, but usually the sidebar is your go-to spot. Once you've clicked on Add-ons, you'll be able to see a range of options and integrations available for you. What we're looking for today is Slack. You'll find Slack listed under the Add-ons section. Now, here's where you'll want to click on Enable or Configure next to the Slack integration. This is the gateway to connecting these two powerful tools. After clicking Enable, you'll need to decide which of your projects you'd like to receive notifications for. This step is crucial because it allows you to filter the information you deem most important, ensuring your Slack notifications are both relevant and valuable. Once you've selected your projects, it's time to move on to connecting the two platforms. You'll see an option to click Connect or Authorize. Clicking this will take you directly to Slack. In Slack, a new dialog will appear which invites you to select the channel where you'd like those notifications to appear. This is an essential step because notifications sent to the right channel keep your team informed and aligned without overwhelming anyone with unnecessary alerts. After you've chosen your channel, Slack will prompt you to authorize the ActiveCollab app. By doing this, you grant permission for ActiveCollab to post messages in the channel you selected. This integration lets you stay updated on project developments in real time and keeps everyone connected without needing to constantly check back into ActiveCollab. Once you've authorized this app in Slack, head back to your ActiveCollab interface. It's crucial to confirm that the connection has been successfully established. This final check ensures that your notifications will be sent and received accurately. And there you have it, a smooth and easy integration between ActiveCollab and Slack. By following these steps, you'll streamline communication and boost productivity across your team. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy project managing.